Welcome everyone. I am back. Today's July the 1st, 2022. We are going to talk about Chainlink today and how the market in Chainlink actually pumped and then dumped after the reports of it being listed on Robinhood came out. Welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're going to talk about that from the chart perspective because the chart actually gives us the information that we need to know. It gives us a heads up as to where price is going to go. And that's why I'm here. I create these videos to show you that it's very possible for you all to predict prices and where it's going to go without the confusion. So to those who are new, go ahead and join me. Hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here going to pump you up. I'm not going to give you no FUD, no FOMO, because this is real. We can actually learn and profit from the market move. So I want you all to join me in this venture. So let's go ahead and talk about this because the article came out right here. Okay, this is from Crypto Briefing, right? 3 days ago. Chainlink pumps and dumps on the Robinhood listing. All right, cool. It's amazing to me how people utilize information and news to justify reason as to why price reacts a certain way, right? Is that really the reason why Chainlink went up and then fell down? Because it was listed on one exchange? Is that really the reason? Did someone, an insider, take advantage of that to where they was able to lift the price in Chainlink? Now, take a look, because this market in Chainlink, according to this article, pumped and dumped on the Robinhood, right? But the price chart that we're looking at is on the Binance exchange. And it's about 3 days ago. So that would mean that the market here, June the 28th, is when the report came out that Robinhood listed Chainlink, right? So here it is. The market did go up on that day and we ended up down. But is that the reason? Because people utilize that one news, that one piece of information as reason to buy and sell on that one day? Is that the real reason? Because I'm here to tell you that that's not the real reason. People buy and sell for a plethora of reasons. You may sell for one reason and the next person could sell for a totally different reason. But you have mainstream media and social media platforms pulling out certain types of information to justify that this is why price reacted the way that it did. And that's not the case. You will never know reasons as to why certain individuals, whether it's a human being, whether it's an algorithm, whether it's a massive institution, on what they're doing and why they're doing it. I really want to hone in on that point because people really don't understand how massive these markets really are. There's billions upon billions of dollars being transacted every day in the cryptocurrency markets. But you only get one article that is really being seen across the internet and on television. So let's talk, because you guys can see that I got a price prediction in Chainlink, right? Already. I've been in this play. I've been expecting the market in Chainlink to fall ever since. You see it, May the 19th. I've been playing and anticipating that the market in Chainlink was going to go down. So for us to see Chainlink, for us to see Chainlink pump and dump on one day, it's kind of like, okay, whatever. We've already expected that the price in Chainlink was going to move lower anyway. And looking at what happened so far from my price prediction on May the 19th, it still looks as if Chainlink is still weak. Yes, let me talk about it real quick. So one reason as to how we should know that Chainlink is still weak is what happened right here. Okay. Now, when I did my video on May the 19th, I was telling you all, look, we can even see the price in Chainlink move higher, right? And it did. Price did go up, but you guys can see that 2 days after the price came up here to $9, Chainlink got rejected and began its descension or began to move lower. That is one reason as to how we know that the price in Chainlink is still weak, that we can still anticipate the movement to the downside. So you all may say, well, you didn't get your price prediction correct. Quite the contrary, we did. Basically, by us seeing price get rejected right here, tells me that Chainlink is still weak. It still tells us that. So I'm still looking for the price in Chainlink to move lower, because following right here, June the 9th and the 10th, we did have opportunity to profit from the market move. Look at that. Price in Chainlink did go down. So we were in profit mode. We're in profit mode right now. If we wanted to take some profitability out of this coin, we could. But I wanted to show you all something first, because we're starting out on a brand new 3 months and 6 months chart. So I wanted to show you all the 3 months first. Okay, because this gives us a heads up as to what we can expect over the next couple of months, 3 to 6 months. You guys can see how the market ended on this last 3 months price bar. Look at that. Is that bullish to you? This last completed 3 month price bar is what reflects what happened on the previous 3 months price bars. It's like a follow through to show us that the overall trend in the market in Chainlink is still weak. Okay, so we got that there. Now let's take a look at the 6 months chart. All right, look at that. That's even worse. So we can say from what we saw over the last 3 to 6 months that the overall market in Chainlink is massively weak, to the point to where we may not be done with looking for price to go down. But do you know what? I've been anticipating the weakness in Chainlink since May. So for us to be in a new month, July, I can say that we should be surprised. With everything that's been going on in the news, on social media, across these altcoins, in the cryptocurrency space, we should not be surprised, because the market is already letting us know. It's giving us advance warning as to what you can expect in the future. So I'm still seeing the weakness here in the market in Chainlink. Now, I have my area already to where we can see price go. Okay, already. Here we are, starting out on a new month. Okay, so I'm definitely looking for the price to continue to trend to the downside. Now, the only thing that is keeping the market up right now is from these highs all the way back to 2019. This is currently where the market in Chainlink is trying to hold price right there around $5. I think we're going to break that in the next 3 to 6 months. I think we're going to continue to see market move to the downside. Now you guys can see that we saw a whole lot of volume last month. Saw a whole lot of volume. Look at all the volume that came in Chainlink last month compared to the other monthly price bars. Was people buying or was the market selling here? July will give us the answer this month. Okay, so I'm still in position. I'm still looking for the market in Chainlink to dip, to go to the downside. So I'm not going to alter my price prediction. I'm just going to extend it, give it a little bit more time for the market to work and to continue to dip to the downside. All right, now if you guys want to get my price targets, go back and listen to my previous Chainlink price video to see where I got my price targets, because I'm not sure where I have it at, but I'm still looking for a price to trend to the downside in Chainlink. All right, so go ahead and let me know your thoughts about how people try to utilize news to justify price movement, and how you need to follow the price to justify the news. It needs to be switched around. It needs to be reversed. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.